What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to another episode of F This or Fix It. Today we're going to replace a battery in a key fob. If you have a 2008 plus Lincoln or Ford vehicle, it's a very good chance you might have this key fob. So we're going to jump into it. To replace your battery on a Ford or Lincoln, could be a 5th gen or a 6th gen Taurus, possibly a Lincoln MKZ. If you have this type of key fob, this is how you will replace the battery. So on the back, there's a button you have to press down. Pull your key out. At the top middle, there's a little slot. If you put a flathead or something small enough in that hole, you can press up to release that cover. Once that cover is released, you get your new battery, place it in. It's gonna sit up because the cover is actually what holds down the battery. So put your cover back on. Press it all the way down. Put your key back in. Battery replaced. Now to test your key fob, to make sure your key fob is not broken, if you have no battery installed, or if you have a dead battery, if you put your key fob into the key fob slot in your car, which is going to be in your glove box or in your center console, if the vehicle still starts with no battery installed, that means the key fob is perfectly fine. Just needs a new battery.